In this video, how to charge an ultrasonic wristband. If you're new to this or just not sure how it works, don't worry. It's actually really simple. First, find the charging port on the wristband. Most of these use either a micro USB or USB-C connection. Take a look around the side or underneath the wristband. Sometimes the port is tucked under a little rubber flap, so just lift that up gently if you see one. Next, grab the charging cable that came with the device. It's best to use the original cable so you know it's a good fit. If you don't have it anymore, check the manual or the manufacturer's site to see what type of cable you need. Once you've got the right cable, plug the USB end into a wall adapter or a USB port on your computer. Then connect the other end to the wristband. Make sure everything is snug so it actually charges and stays connected without loose movement. It usually takes about 5 hours for a full charge, but that can vary depending on the model. Some wristbands have lights or a small screen to show you how the charging is going. Once it's fully charged, you're good for about a week of use, depending on how often you run the device. If you notice the battery draining faster than normal, try cleaning the charging pins or checking the cable for damage. Keeping the wristband dry and free from dust also helps it charge smoothly and last longer overall. Also, don't forget to place the wristband on a stable surface while charging so the connection doesn't loosen or disconnect accidentally. A lot of people bump their desk or move the cable without realizing it, and that can stop the charging process. Giving it a stable spot makes the whole process much more reliable.